28 feet by 11 feet. This is why I love Queens. Let's go. So today we're checking out a one-bedroom in Rego Park area of Queens. It's about like 30 minutes commute from New York City, from like Midtown. And it's so much cheaper just to be that extra like 10-15 minutes out of the city. It was such a nice day out. It's like 50 degrees in the city. Perfect day to go riding rather than being stuck on a train with people coughing and sitting on you. The Rock Church. It's literally got a line wrapped around it. People have been very bad. Looks like they gotta repent their sins. And that line actually has me worried. We've got the Rego Park Mall right here, IKEA, Marshalls, Burlington, Bed Bath & Beyond. You'll be here all day. Plus you got TD Bank right there, so you can go take your money out and blow it all in one spot. Got a Rego Park Pharmacy right here, so this is probably gonna be your late night spot when you don't wanna go too far. I like these old school elevators. It's pretty cool. Oh, this is a big apartment. And as you saw from my intro, this is 28 feet by 11 feet. This is a giant living room, I should say. You have so much space here. You could really put your furniture any way you'd like. So I'm thinking one of those like giant U-shaped couches just along this way. I mean, you could be so obnoxious with how you want to set this space up. That's why I love it. And for the rent here, I mean, why wouldn't you spend more money on your furniture? Because you're gonna be saving at the end of the day compared to living in the city. You have that giant closet as well, which is really large. I could put my bike in there. I could put 4 of those bikes in there if I wanted. And then you got the kitchen. You have a dishwasher, which, and if you watch my videos, I always say is the holy grail in New York City apartments. So that's huge. And look at all this cabinet space. That is a lot. Plus these guys down here. And then they were like, hey, you know what? Let's just add another one in there. So you got a little spot right here as well. It's got the sticker on it. It has to be brand new, right? Oh yeah. Then you got this little walkway area that leads to the bedroom. We're looking at 16 feet by 10 feet for a bedroom. That's crazy. This is a huge bedroom. I thought the living room was big, but then I see this guy and it's like just an added bonus. I mean, I'm standing against the window right now and you can really get anything you like in here. And then to top it all off, they give you another one of these massive closets as if you didn't have enough space in the other ones. So you can hoard as much as you want and not feel ashamed about it. And that leads us to the bathroom. I like the subway tile that they got going on here. Got a full-size tub, which looks pretty clean. I like the vanity lights as well. That always adds a nice little touch of elegance. And of course, you got the medicine cabinet. That's another perk. I'm saying, New York City, you don't get this everywhere. Vanity is not the largest, but it shouldn't matter because you have a lot of cabinet space up top and down below. Would you sacrifice living in New York City to have this much space for this amount of rent each month? Because I personally would, and I do. So let me know if you think it's crazy that I do this, or you just think a lot of people who don't live in the city don't really know that this is an option. I mean, you're just giving up a 30-minute commute, but you can have all this. So what would you do? Let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot, guys.